Today we're making 1-minute microwave yummy mug pancake. Simple ingredients pancake. Are you looking for an easy steps mug pancake recipe? So here is the easy and quick recipe. Ingredients for mug pancake: 1 tablespoon butter, 3/4 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoon milk, 3 tablespoon flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. How to make mug pancake in just 1 minute with easy steps. Microwave 1 tablespoon of butter and pour it in cup. Add baking powder in the melted butter and mix it well. Now add sugar and mix to combine. Add 2 tablespoons of room temperature milk and again mix it well. Now you have to add all-purpose flour in it. Mix it well and make a smooth paste. Now microwave your pancake for 1 minute, do not overcook. Serve hot with little bit of butter and maple syrup. Hope you liked our video. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy!